in the high-stakes arena of Judge Judy, a tangled tale of love, betrayal, and legal battles unfolded, drawing viewers into the stormy breakup of Jared Day and Tammy Foster. The drama began when Jared, a 22-year-old liquor store manager, sued his ex-girlfriend Tammy, a 33-year-old former security guard, for unpaid rent after she moved out of their shared apartment. Tammy fired back with a counterclaim, alleging harassment, defamation, and job loss caused by Jared's actions. Dubbed Case 89, Dave Beats. On the docket, this episode promised a roller coaster of emotions and judicial wisdom. Their story started on August 15, 2000, when Jared and Tammy, once a loving couple, moved into a two-bedroom apartment together. They signed a lease as co-tenants, pledging to share the financial burden. But by March 16, their relationship crumbled, and Tammy packed her bags, leaving Jared to face the lease alone. Jared's grievance centered on the rent. He demanded Tammy cover the months she abandoned, claiming her departure left him vulnerable to eviction and credit damage. Yet, the truth revealed a different picture. Tammy had paid March's rent, and Jared quickly found a roommate. By May 1, who took over the payments? Judge Judy, with her piercing gaze, zeroed in on the dispute. She calculated that only April's rent remained contested, dismissing Jared's broader claim as unreasonable given his new roommate. The judge pressed Jared, unearthing the real reason behind Tammy's exit. Their breakup in January had sparked tense negotiations to coexist until the lease ended. But by February, Jared's late-night online chats with another woman, Andre, pushed Tammy to her limit. She felt emotionally trapped, violating their agreement to keep other romantic interests out while both paid rent. Tammy moved out on March 10, intending to pay April's share, even sending a check to the landlord. The plot thickened when Tammy visited to do laundry and discovered photos of Andre in the apartment dated from Jared's 10-day vacation at the Stanley Hotel in Estes Park. Furious and hurt, she left a note by Jared's computer, then stopped payment on the April rent check. She informed the landlord, shifting the burden back to Jared. Judge Judy saw through Jared's defense, ruling his actions breached their pact. She declared his rent claim baseless, awarding him nothing, and suggested he and Andre enjoy the apartment. Tammy's counterclaim added another layer of intrigue. After moving out, Jared bombarded her with calls, misinterpreting her new male roommates as romantic partners, making crude remarks. Tammy asked him to stop, but tension escalated when she needed lease documents for new tenants. Jared stormed into her new home, threw the papers, and stomped out, an act Judge Judy deemed rude, but not assault. The real blow came when Jared sent an email to Tammy's employer, expressing fears of blackmail and suggesting Tammy might harm him. He admitted using work computers to contact Andre, a fact Judge Judy noted wasn't a lie. Tammy faced a workplace investigation, her record tainted, and was fired 4 days after a new supervisor reviewed her file. She lost a promised $10,000 raise, blaming Jared's email. Judge Judy, ever the arbiter of truth, demanded proof that the email directly caused Tammy's firing. Without a witness to confirm the supervisor's decision, Tammy's defamation claim faltered. The judge clarified Jared's email reflected his fears, not false statements, dismissing her counterclaim. The courtroom echoed with their final barbs. Jared relieved to end the chaos, Tammy lamenting her lost career opportunity and mutual accusations of deceit. This Judge Judy episode wove a rich tapestry of broken trust and legal reckoning. Jared's pursuit of rent crumbled under his own actions, while Tammy's quest for justice fell short without evidence. As the gavel fell, Judge Judy's wisdom shone. leaving a lasting impression of love's fallout and the law's impartial eye. The saga of Jared and Tammy unraveled like a dramatic novel set against the backdrop of a shared apartment turned battleground. Jared! A young manager sought to reclaim rent from Tammy, his older ex, after their romance faded. Their cohabitation, begun with hope in 2000, ended in discord by March, sparking a legal duel. Jared's case hinged on Tammy's departure, leaving him to shoulder the lease. But Judge Judy's scrutiny revealed his quick remedy, a new roommate by May. Only April's rent remained at stake, and the judge questioned Jared's fairness in double-dipping payments. Tammy's exit, driven by Jared's online fling, justified her break from their mutual agreement. Photos of Andrea sealed her resolve, leading Judge Judy to reject Jared's claim entirely. Tammy's counter-narrative painted Jared as a harasser. His persistent calls, misjudging her new roommates, culminated in a dramatic document drop. Her workplace suffered from his accusatory email, costing her a job and a raise. Yet, without proof linking the email to her firing, Judge Judy dismissed her suit. Their parting shots highlighted lingering bitterness, closing a chapter of love and litigation. In the Judge Judy courtroom, Jared and Tammy's story emerged as a cautionary tale. Jared's rent demand stemmed from Tammy's move, but his own indiscretion undermined his case. Tammy, hurt by betrayal, sought redress for harassment and job loss, only to falter without solid evidence. Judge Judy's rulings cut through the emotional haze, denying Jared's claim and Tammy's counterclaim. The episode left viewers with a vivid portrait of relationship wreckage resolved with judicial clarity. And you? What do you think about this issue? Leave a comment to let me know, or if you want me to elaborate on any episode, just say so.